Guys, and if you guys was with me yesterday, you know we made eyeshadow. Do you guys see the eyeshadow I made yesterday? Let me look down. You guys see that? It is beautiful. Turned out very beautiful. But the only thing, I was having a problem with putting it into that compact. So guys, today I'm trying to do it new and improved. So I took pennies, guys, wrapped it in paper towels, put rubber bands on it. I did 2 of them. And I'm going to use these lip gloss tubes, guys, to do it over, okay? I'm going to do these lip gloss tubes, and I'm going to do it over, guys, because, hey, yesterday was kind of like it didn't work out the way I wanted to. So, guys, I got my glycerin, and my glycerin is right there. And I'm going to take my mineral powder, mica, purple, put it in there. Okay. I said it turned out very pretty, but just that one was kind of messy. So guys, we is going to use alcohol as well. So I'm going to just stir this up. Let me put it on top of this paper towel. I'm already starting to make a mess. Remember yesterday, I got it kind of like all over. So I'm going to stir it up. Going to stir it up. Going to stir it up. I think I need a little bit more glycerin. And what the glycerin does, guys, it makes your eyeshadow pop better. I want my color to be like matte colors, like real vibrant. Oh gosh, the heat just clicked on. And the vent is right over the top of me. It just blew my powder. Should have maybe, well, I can't turn the heat off. It's wintertime. So guys, I got it all mixed up. And there, it's mixed up in there good. Okay, I'm going to use another teaspoon. Let that suck up in there. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to go ahead and just spray my alcohol. And I'm doing it lightly. I'm not doing it like I did yesterday with the syringe. Okay. So now that I have done that with the alcohol, because alcohol is what's going to make it stay in place, guys. Okay, this is going to be so pretty, and this is going to last a very long time, guys. A little bit more alcohol, very lightly. I'm tapping it down. Now, guys, we're going to take the magic. We're going to take the penny, guys. It's kind of wet, need more. I don't want to make a big mess. And guys, I got this set off of Amazon, and it was $29. So if you want to look for your sets on Amazon, it was $29, and I got it I think 2-day shipping, depending on where it's coming from. So see, I think I'll be making it too wet, then I make it too dry, then I make it too wet, then I make it too dry. Okay, and let me put the top on this because I don't want to waste it. Move that out of the way. And now, guys, we're going to take the penny and press this down. Oh, it's not wide enough. Ah. My penny is not wide enough. So I'm going to have to put the paper towel over the top and then press it down. My penny just kind of sunk right in, so I'm going to have to do it like this. And now put this on there like that and press. There we go. And it's bubbling through, guys. So let's see. Okay, I gotta keep pressing it down, guys. I gotta keep pressing it. So let me double this up because my penny was not wide enough, guys. So now I'm gonna do it like this and press down because we're trying to get it to turn it into the powder. Press it down. So that's what you want to do. Press it down in there like that, guys. So I'm going to keep pressing it down. And once I get it pressed down and all good, guys, I'll come back and show you guys what it looked like. Okay, guys. So I am back with you guys. I had to do a lot of cleanup because, like I say, it is quite messy. So after I got everything down in there. So the key to taking a paper towel, once the alcohol go on top and pressing it down, that's what makes it stay and form into your shadow. So now, guys, you see how I pressed it down? And I use this little penny and the paper towel and pressing it down, and that's what's going to convert it and turn it into your shadow. So just like how when we made the pressed powder. So guys, if you want to make your own vibrant colors, like if you find yourself at home, you bored, you feeling like you don't have nothing to do, you want to do something positive, you want to make your own eyeshadows or even make them to sell, there is a eyeshadow kit, guys, so you can purchase the kit and do your own eyeshadows and, you know, make your own. But like I say, it is messy, so you might want to pick up some gloves and, you know, just play around with some colors. Because you ever go buy some eyeshadow and you get it home and you like, oh, I really don't like this eyeshadow. What do? You're stuck with it. So that's the point of making your own eyeshadow. So you don't have to worry about being stuck with a color that you don't care for. And then you can mix and match. You can mix some purple with some pink and some black with some blue and get a color wheel and change the colors. So guys, this is just different things that I like to do to stay creative at home. I'm an introvert. I don't really like being around a lot of people and hanging out a lot. So I need stuff to keep me entertained while I'm in the house. And this is things that I like to do. So guys, make your own eyeshadow. And this one is going to dry and it's going to be high pigment and go on really good. You see this one, guys? Yeah, so these are the colors I made yesterday, guys, on that little palette. So, as always, guys, thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. And again, guys, the kit I got off of Amazon. So if you guys are interested, you guys can go to Amazon.com. And I'm going to hold up the kit again that I got, guys. And it has 25 different colors. Let me show you guys. 25 different colors. And you can make soap and bath bombs with this as well. But yes, it has 25 different colors. So thank you guys so much. Bye-bye. And you guys make some awesome eyeshadows, guys. Bye-bye. Guys, we're going to play around with the gold. We're going to do mix gold and pink. And if you guys don't have a color wheel, get a color wheel. And then it'll let you know what these colors will turn out to be before you even mix them. You know, so I'm putting this little, that was actually, that's a carpal, can't even speak great, type of pink champagne that I just put in there. So I'm just mixing it with the glycerin and the alcohol, guys. So it's a nice, pretty gold color. So now I need to put some more powder in here. And then, guys, oh, I almost dropped the whole thing. I will come back when it's time to press it down, guys. Okay, guys, now it is time to press it down. And like I say, it is quite messy, guys. So I got a penny double wrapped in paper towel. So now I'm just going to put it in there and press it down, guys. So this is messy, guys. That's why I'm wearing gloves. So now I'm just pressing it down, guys. And once I get it pressed down really, really good, I'm going to sit back and let it dry. And tomorrow I will have eyeshadow. And guys, the key to making your eyeshadow colors pop, you do want to use a primer. I do also use a primer. And they give me these vibrant color. But look how vibrant that gold is, though. I like it a lot. So you guys see I'm starting to press the color down. So yes, guys, make your own eyeshadow at home. And this is for the people that want to. You know, if you don't want to, then you don't. But I just like doing stuff like this. It's like very refreshing for me, guys. So, guys, make your own eyeshadow at home. And I will chat with you guys later, okay? So, talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.